Hi, I'm Jesse, a developer at NoviSystems. Today we're going to install Fusion Analytics on Azure. Starting from the Azure Marketplace at azuremarketplace.microsoft.com, click on the search box and type in Fusion Analytics. Ours is Fusion Analytics version 16.5. Click Get It Now. Next, click Continue. This will redirect you to the Azure portal. Click Create. Select any resource group and enter any virtual machine name. The default size is fine. For the username and the public key source, you can put anything because we won't need to SSH into this virtual machine. Keep clicking Next until you reach the end. Finally, click Create. Download your private key, even though it won't be used. And wait for the virtual machine to come up. It's going to take about 5 to 10 minutes for both the virtual machine and the application on it to come up. After 10 minutes, click Go to Resource. Then look under Networking, Public IP Address. Copy that IP address, and in a new tab in the URL, type https:// and then paste the IP address. You may encounter this security warning. Know that this is not a real security risk, so click Advanced and then accept the risk and continue. The application will come up with a registration form. Enter any username and password. And click Register. You have just installed Fusion Analytics on Azure. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to contact us at info@novi.systems.